Hey everybody, this is Justin here with CARBO. We've had a couple of people reach out to us recently having a little bit of trouble with their extra strength retention pin on their LCP MAX. So we were making another video specifically just for this to maybe help out a couple people who are having a little bit of trouble. So first things first, you're going to need your LCP MAX. Make sure that it is not loaded. Okay, we are good to go. And then for this, all you need is a flathead or a lever tool of some kind. Super simple and easy. You're going to apply pressure below the pin with your finger. You want to apply a substantial amount of pressure. This is a heavy duty retention pin. And pop goes the weasel. Super simple and easy. Barely an inconvenience. Nothing to it, folks. But again, if you don't apply that pressure right down here, it can become quite a problem and it will cause some bowing out because it is extra duty retention. But I hope this helps and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks.